What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and they just opened. They let one guy in. He was here before me, and that's it. So it is half off day inside of Goodwill. We're gonna go inside, see what we can find that's half off. Hopefully we find some good steals and deals because I like paying less for things, and I want to sell this stuff online. So let's head in. Dun 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 dun. What are we gonna find? Alright, so first things first, gotta check out the glass case. This is where they put the valuables or things they think are valuable. Sometimes prices in here can be crazy, like this Lion King DVD. I mean, some of these things, you can see the half off color is green. 50% off, that's the colors we're looking for, and I'm actually seeing a few of those things inside of this glass case, but they're still overpriced. We have some Magic the Gathering cards, but they put the stickers right on the cards. $15 for a little stack. Maybe I could have actually looked through it and seen if there was anything good there. We have a little bag of baseball cards for $12. Seems kind of expensive to me. I didn't even bother looking into it. Look at these DVDs right here, these Looney Tunes DVDs, $40 each on these. You know, I didn't even look those up. I'm gonna pop the prices on the screen right now. So here we are in eBay. I typed in the Looney Tunes Golden Collection. I scrolled down and I made sure sold comps, sold items are only showing here. You can see brand new, these things are selling for $60 for every single volume, or about $15 used. Brand new for one volume, $13. I mean, they're charging $40 each volume. You could see here, used, they're going for about $15, $20, $9 here. I don't know what's going on with those prices, but that's kind of... So let's continue on in this store and hope that we find stuff a little better priced, hopefully some half off items. I love to check the electronics section. We have a Denon Receiver and $45. What is going on? No remote. It's not in the best condition. This is not good. These are not good signs. Let's keep looking at DVD player. It looks kind of beat. And again, no remote. I like to have the remotes whenever I sell these items online because you guys have no idea how many returns I've gotten because people want the remote. $30 for, it looks like a turntable type thing. These prices are really high right now. Here's a little portable TV. I thought that was kind of cool at $6. You know, I'm not spending $40, $30 on items that you could potentially sell for $70, $80, especially when it comes to these big heavy electronics. $12 for a VCR, that's a little high. Again, no remote, no cables, no nothing. No idea if it works, right? My Goodwills do offer a 2-day return policy on electronics only. I don't know about yours, but that's all mine does. Nothing on clothing, nothing on toys, only electronics. So at least you get a little bit of a buffer there. But still, to get it home, you gotta test it. You don't know, you don't have the remote, you don't have all the wires. Hopefully you could get everything set up and good and ready to test within 2 days, because if you wait any longer, they will not take the return. So I'm usually not going to be spending up that much on electronics at thrift stores. Sometimes it really depends on who is pricing, because you could go into a thrift store and all those big stereo receivers and stuff can be $5, $10, and that's worth the risk, right? That's worth, if it doesn't work well, you didn't waste too much money. Now I decided to come on over to the DVD section. There's usually DVDs, video games, CDs, just a whole bunch of media here. You can see some video games here. I was actually here not too long ago and I picked through a lot of them, and I see a lot of green there. Those are half off, but really nothing good. A lot of shovelware, meaning games that just aren't worth much. They're not very good games. And, you know, even at $2, $3 a piece, it's still not worth it. And I could sit here and I could scan all the DVDs, I could scan all the CDs, but I come inside of this thrift store and a bunch of other thrift stores pretty often, so I kind of can tell what's new and what's not. And I've scanned through most of these a lot of times. I kind of know that there's nothing too great. Now, if I am missing something, please let me know down below in the comments. You guys watching might know something I don't. That happens all the time. I'm not perfect and I don't know everything when it comes to reselling. I do know a good amount though. So let's leave there, and I found this cool, I think it's a shoe rack. Is that what this is? A little rotating shoe rack? I thought it was kind of neat for $8. This would be great if you had a little storefront or you were opening up your own little antique booth or antique mall. That would look really good in there. This is pretty sweet. This is one of those spike ball games, $6. These games are not cheap. The ball isn't there. I thought about buying it and then buying the replacement balls on eBay, but I just left it behind. Now, one thing I look for in the book section are complete series. This Alex Rider series at $1 a piece wasn't worth it, but if we move on over, this is 39 clues. $1. When you find all the books together, you can make some good money, but it needs the 6 cards inside, and look at that. It's been opened and the 6 cards are removed. I like to make sure when I'm selling things to include everything it originally came with. Now this is perfect. $2 for a Harry Potter hardcover book. All day. I pay $1 to $2, never any more than that, because you have to buy, I think it's 7 or 8 of them. Here's a soft cover one for $2 as well. I don't really mess with the soft cover ones, but the hardcover ones, once you get the complete set of them, you can sell them for about $70-ish right now. They have been coming down. They used to sell for about $100. After fees, after shipping, you're maybe making $45 to $50 or so on them. So you could really only spend $2 a pop on them, because then you're invested about $16 to $20. It just starts to add up, right? So that is one thing I do like to look for, complete book box sets and things like that. And I'm noticing a whole bunch of Harry Potter things down here, $1 a piece. These are all pretty cool. I do scan them all. They weren't worth anything. These were like Big Lots or Ocean State Job Lot or something, just clearance books. They were originally selling for $1 a piece, and they weren't really going for much of anything on Amazon. Leaving the book section though, I find this is pretty sweet. Tubbs snowshoes, $10. That seemed like a good deal to me. I did look it up. You guys can see the comps on the screen. Really not worth as much as I thought. I did leave them behind. I might be able to sell them for $40, $50, free shipping. Pay $10, cost $10 to ship. I mean, after fees and everything, you might make $20 on them, maybe. Some of them were selling for much less than that, so I did just leave them behind. If they were selling consistently all day at like $60, $70, I would have probably done it. Now we have a cool Champion Ski team bag right there, but it was all ripped open, as you guys saw. So I don't really have much in the cart yet, but I do end up finding some great things. So keep watching. You guys will see everything at the end of the video when I go over everything I did end up picking up from this thrift store. Now, golf clubs can be good. I've sold a lot of golf clubs in the past. These ones all looked a little older. Here's my sad cart. It's just the one book. The one Harry Potter book is all I have. And I have sold lots of golf clubs in the past. You gotta look for, things that look a little newer. It's hard to explain. I'm not like a great golfer at all, but I do know which ones look newer, and these ones just all looked old. They were pretty beat up. They were priced individually, $2 to $6 or so a piece, which was nothing I really wanted to mess with, so I just left them behind. You could sit there and look them all up, maybe find one hidden gem. I love the artwork on this Rosignol ski set. I think that's how you pronounce it, Rosignol, and I call them Rosies, but I find them all the time, and I love that 80s to 90s really cool style on things. I just think it's super neat. So let's keep looking inside this thrift store. I'm looking at these bikes here. I know bikes are pretty hot right now. They're not in the best shape. Let's see the price. $125. Holy cow. Where do they get that price? I have no idea. I think it's a Puch, P-U-C-H. Puch, I think is how you pronounce it, the style of bike. I looked it up on eBay just in case there was like some insane value here, and I saw somebody sell the frame on eBay for like $75. So I don't know. This one was in really rough shape too. I don't know why they're pricing it at $125. I don't think anybody's going to buy it. If somebody does, I would be extremely surprised. But I'm not finding anything, so I wanted to come to aisles that I don't normally go to, and look at this. We have our first winner, besides the book, a $1 Cats in Movies. I thought this was pretty funny. It's a bunch of postcards, and at the end of the video, I will tell you what I believe all these items are going to sell for on either eBay or Amazon, and you guys will see all of that at the end to see how much money I'm actually going to make. And I find some other brand new things, some Veggie Bullet accessories, and yeah, these are looking pretty cool. $1 a piece. I like that. And here I am going through an Exploding Kittens game I found. $3. It has the contents right here. That's great. That's what we want to see. We want to know what's in this, and there's supposed to be a certain number of cards. And guys, this is actually, I think, my 3rd or 4th time counting it. What I do is I sit here, I go through every single piece, make sure they're all in here, and once I got to the end, it was missing one card.
So I just had finished counting these and I'm about to put them away, and I'm very upset because I did count these like 3 times. I couldn't believe they were missing just one card. And, that's the game sometimes. Here I'm wearing my mask. What up? I thought these were really cool. These are Desert Storm playing cards. Funny enough, I purchased a t-shirt from Bob Dabra. He's a YouTuber. I purchased a t-shirt from him through Instagram, and he sent me a brand new sealed pack of Desert Storm cards. It's just funny how that worked out. I've never seen them before in my life. I saw them at the thrift store. They don't really have any value. But when I bought the shirt from him, he threw in a free thing of trading cards. And here we go. Look at this. Veggie Bullet. $4. Okay, for the full brand new thing. I scanned it in. Couldn't find it on Amazon, but I did find it on eBay. Selling for like 30 to 40 bucks. Not bad. $4 purchase. I'm taking it. We're throwing it in the cart. Anything else? Yes, there is something else. Okay, these middle aisles are turning out to be pretty great. This latch hook kit for $1. Guys, I sell these all the time. I always recommend scanning these and looking these up. They sell really fast for me, and I sell them for between $15 and $50, really. Some go for insane amounts of money. Some don't go for much at all, but usually I'm always making money on them. At $1, you can't go wrong. Now, I did leave this behind, this Boston Red Sox poncho for $2. It was brand new. It was kind of cool. I mean, I maybe could have made money on it. I couldn't find a single completed listing on eBay. I couldn't find it on Amazon. Maybe I could have just thrown it up on eBay, listed it for $20, $25, and it would have sold. What do you guys think? Would have you grabbed it even though there's no completed listings? It was officially licensed, had the big Boston Red Sox logo on the front and the name on the back. I thought it was kind of cool. I didn't get it. I don't know why. I mean, I could have just taken the risk, but I didn't. So now I'm just looking at random tchotchkes because I just want to find anything else to put in my cart. This tiger's really weird looking. It's an ornament. I should have bought him for the tree. Oh my gosh. Now I'm wishing I bought him for the tree. He's so stupid looking. I would love to have him on my Christmas tree this year. But I think it's about time to leave. Let's take our one more look around here. This is when I'm getting a little desperate for goods. I'm looking in the glassware aisle. I don't like selling glassware. Now, I know that there's great money in certain glassware. I just don't like shipping it. I'm always afraid it's going to break. It's just a pain in the butt. This was pretty cool, but you can see the paint was actually chipping off of it. Nothing really good there. So let's head out of this thrift store. Let's head home and let me show you guys everything I got. Okay guys, we're back home. This is all that I got, and I actually don't think I got anything that was half off, any green tags, but we'll take a quick look. I know you saw most of it, not all of it, but we have this Wonder Art Eagle latch hook kit. I sell these all the time. Keep an eye out. They're usually in areas of thrift stores that I never go to. Maybe you do, but they're always in like the arts and crafts or in near the pictures, and it's just like in areas that I never look. But these can usually go for 15 to 20 bucks all day. We did grab that Veggie Bullet for $4. Can't find it on Amazon, but on eBay sells all the time for like $25 to $30. Not bad there. These two guys are on Amazon. There's an Udon blade and an angel hair blade. $1 each. They sell for about 10, but the fees are real low on Amazon, so I'll make about $5 a pop on those. We got the one Harry Potter book. Guys, I have so many of these books. Let me show you. Here is one of my eBay inventory shelves, and we have all the Harry Potter books back here, and look at, they go 2 layers deep. There are a lot of them. They actually go more than 2 layers deep. There's another stack of them right there, and I pay no more than $2 a piece on these guys. If I need just one book out of this complete series, I'll pay up to like $3, $4, but that's really it. So I have a lot of these. I wait until I get the complete set and then I sell them. The prices come down on them. They sell for about $70-ish at the moment. After fees, you're only making about, $50 or so dollars. So if you're paying $2 each, you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, I think like $16. I think there's 8 of them. So $16 minus your $50, you're still making about $30 or so dollars. Not bad, not amazing. You used to be able to sell these for $100 each, but price is coming down, so I really got to complete these sets so I could get rid of them. Okay, let's finish off this bag right here. We picked up the Cats in Movies. This was next to the hook latch hook kit thing right here. Pretty cool, and I always say just scan everything that's brand new sealed. I really didn't think this was going to be worth anything, but at $1, you can't really go wrong. I'm going to make a few bucks on it. See, the original price is $17. Pretty sweet, pretty funny, so I'm cool with that.
We did pick up one brand new DVD series, How I Met Your Mother Season 7 for $3. Sells for about 15 to 20. And then we got one more veggie bullet. So guys, it was half off day. We have a beautiful puppy. Hi, Sophia. We went there for half off day, didn't buy a single half off thing. And I was one of the very first people in the store. So unless you know what you're going into the store for, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Unless you know what you're going into the store for, if it was something that was either overpriced, there were a few overpriced items there, I'm sure you saw. Those things you want to wait for half off day, but random things like this on the shelf, usually if they're not scooped up before half price day, they're usually not worth it. So, you know, I bought all full price items, but they ended up being pretty good. I'm going to make about $100 or so on all this stuff. Let's see. It's like 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. I'll make about like $65 or so, $65, $70 on this stuff. Pretty quick and easy though. So I'm happy with that. I was only in there for a few minutes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. If you have any ideas, things that you want to see videos on, let me know down below. I'll do my best to work on those. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.